What's happening, everybody? Thanks for coming by. Want to wish everybody a happy new year. So today's video, I'm doing a test cut for a 3D relief model I purchased on Etsy. It's a Santa Claus and some reindeer, and so it didn't go as planned. So just a real quick intro on this. I'll discuss at the end what happened. But yeah, I appreciate everybody coming by. It was just a quick video on cutting this, and I had some tool setting issues. All right, so let's get to it. got the 3D relief cut finished. However, it did not turn out the way I'd hoped. I had the wrong settings on my CNC bit. I used a taper ball nose bit, and I think I just had the wrong settings in my tool data. So I will have to go back, reset those, get it set up good, and then I'll start doing a couple others down the line. Obviously, this was the Christmas theme. I had planned to release it last Christmas Day, but you know, family life gets in the way and things happen. I had it set up for 4 types of cuts. So the first one did a 3D roughing pass, they call it, where I used an 1/8 inch end mill bit that basically just went over and took care of, got rid of the excess material. And then once it completed that, I ran a second tool path that kind of cleaned out all the, if you see this wood in the back, you know, it was about a 4-inch piece. It kind of flattened stuff around it so I could cut down thinner, because you could see from that shot there how thick the profiles are. I think it was, this is 20 millimeters. I think it was just a hair above 3/4. And it plowed out a 9 millimeter, I think, total down to the flat base. Anyways, so then once that cut was done, I did a third cut, which was the 3D finish pass. And 2 things. One, I didn't have my bit set properly, and I believe if you saw in the video, if you watched it all, hope you did, it was going this way with the bit. And I had it set, I thought I had it set for the raster, which kind of does a 45, and it works with the grain differently, makes a better fine-tuned product. I don't know if you can see it, if my camera will allow it. I'll go slow. You can kind of see the detail is getting there, but it's really not complete like it should have been. Sorry, I go this way, and because those are a family of reindeer, didn't even really do nothing to them. So it was a little disappointing, but all in all, made me learn that I have to go back and check and recheck. But yeah, we're going to get moving here, and I want to wish everyone Happy New Year. What a year, huh? Crazy. So just remember to please like and subscribe the video. Tap that bell if you want to get notified if I'm going to be releasing more content. Alrighty. Everybody take care, and thanks for stopping by.